Understanding cool down in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, cool down. It's a versatile term used in various contexts, and we're going to unpack its meanings and uses. So, let's get started and add another expression to your English toolkit. The phrase, cool down, literally means to become cooler in temperature after being very hot. It's often used to talk about objects or weather. For example, after boiling water for tea, we wait for it to cool down before drinking. Emotionally, cool down is used when someone needs to calm their emotions after being angry or upset. It's like taking a moment to regain composure. We might say, after the argument, he took a walk to cool down. In the context of physical activity, cool down refers to slow-paced exercises after intense activity. This helps the body transition to a resting state. For instance, after a run, you might do some stretching exercises to cool down. Cool down can also describe a situation or relationship becoming less tense or hostile. We might say, the debate was intense, but things cooled down after a productive discussion. As a casual command or suggestion, telling someone to cool down is asking them to relax or not overreact. It's like saying, chill out, or take it easy. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, cool down, for you. Remember, it's all about context. Whether it's lowering the temperature, calming emotions, winding down after exercise, easing tension, or just relaxing. Keep practicing, and you'll be using cool down like a native in no time. Catch you in the next video.